Hello, my name is Sergio Armenta and I run operations in NXTIoT. NXTIoT is an IoT company 100% based in Mexico City. We have mainly distribution of the finest products from IoT using Sigfox communication, and we integrate systems to solve our clients' lives and needs. We see the Mexican ecosystem as a really well-prepared ecosystem in the world. On NXTIoT's history, we've been finding more and more players, from hardware developers to software developers, a lot of technology companies that impulse development in Mexico. So I think we're ready for the IoT hype and ready to tackle new projects. So let me tell you a little bit more about our next laser, or our level sensing device. This is an initiative we decided to take based on the needs from the market to measure high containers of material. We see that on the ecosystem already there's several options for level measuring or sensing using ultrasonic sensors, yet they're limited to 7 meters high. And starting 7 meters and higher containers, it's a market that is massive, and there's nothing that solves the need. So we decided to hop on this initiative and started creating a prototype. We have already let's say a commercial prototype. It's not manufactured in volume, yet it works as a commercial certified product. And we're doing the effort to create this product and to make it more robust, more efficient, optimize its costs, and probably we'll be able to deliver this product at the end of September. So stay tuned for this one. I see a connected world where our lives will have a lot more data for operation, all the way from our normal lives to have connected buses and better time schedules for bus departures, all the way to big projects of agriculture, metering, or logistics, security. So it will have a big impact on our lives. The challenges that we face in this digital age, focusing on IoT, mainly is that IoT and its structure is not that clear for everyone. Everyone wants to jump in the IoT new hype, yet not everyone knows how it works. And adding to this, that there are a lot of new technologies coming out every day for communication of IoT makes it more difficult. The interoperability between technologies and software and hardware represents now a challenge, yet all new technologies are helpful and useful, and we will solve this issue once people understand that there's not one solution, but a bunch of solutions that could be mixed to solve one problem. DevKit is a development kit, as its name says it. It's basically an Arduino mixed with a Sigfox module for communication. The DevKit was born as a joint effort between the Mexican Sigfox operator, and us. We created it to give an impulse or create a momentum on the Sigfox Mexican market. One of our best projects implementing the DevKit is a project with an education company. This company created an IoT bundle that integrates the DevKit plus some other sensors, and they will be using these for education on different levels, from students all the way to professionals and people that's already involved in the IoT environment, yet not using Sigfox at this moment. So the idea with these IoT bundles is that they they gain a lot of experience, and they know how the IoT works, the environment works, and start applying it to their projects on their universities or on their work. We like a lot Sigfox, and it gives a lot of power to our business because it's a new technology. As I mentioned before, it gives you the ability to use devices with low energy consumption, long-range communication, and low recurrent costs on the data fees, as well on the device cost and the software development cost. So it gives us the necessary tools to do projects that were not feasible before. NXTIoT is helping more companies join the IoT business, mainly with the dev kit, because it's a tool that helps them understand the technology from hardware all the way to software and connectivity. And with this tool, they're able to land projects really fast. Something that before was really difficult for them because of the hardware tools that they need and the software development tools that they need. And now they can do it really fast with our tools, like the dev kit. We have these two main objectives: the dev kit, obviously keep optimizing it, and the next laser to land it now as a robust commercial product certified with Sigfox and everything. So for now we'll focus on these two devices, talking in hardware. On software, we're integrating 3 different tools. These tools will be one focused on buttons and service buttons mainly, not panic buttons but service buttons. Another tool will be focusing on a general device management, and finally a tool for tracking and all the GPS and location services for devices. So let's say we have 5 products and 3 are software and 2 are hardware. Talking about WND as the Mexican Sigfox operator, we like a lot how they work. They're really close with us, and we see a lot of involvement on their part to make projects happen, right? Because as it is a new technology, they have their own KPIs and their own targets for deployment. Yet, if we manage to justify an interesting POC or a proof of concept project, they react pretty rapidly and create coverage on the zone that we needed. So this helps a lot for projects like this and for permitting new technologies on the market, because as an easy example, if you do a project with 3G, I don't see Telcel coming in and putting a new antenna where you need it. So this is the flexibility that WND offers and the technology offers to them. So thanks we thank them on this part and their involvement on our projects. In NXTIoT, we don't sell IoT. We deliver solutions to problems.